Experience a smarter and more hygienic way to care for your delicate laundry with the 2-in-1 mini portable washer and dryer combo. Designed for modern lifestyles and compact living spaces, this innovative desktop washing machine delivers efficient washing and quick drying in a sleek, space-saving design. Perfect for small garments such as underwear, socks, baby clothes, and lightweight fabrics, it provides a dedicated laundry solution that ensures cleanliness while protecting delicate materials. Built with a high-quality stainless steel drum, this compact washing machine offers enhanced durability and superior hygiene performance. The drum structure helps prevent bacterial buildup and ensures a gentle yet effective washing cycle, making it ideal for intimate clothing that requires special care. Its drum rotation technology improves water flow and cleaning power while reducing fabric damage, giving users peace of mind with every wash. Equipped with an intuitive LCD control panel, this mini washer-dryer combo allows users to select washing and drying modes easily. The smart control interface provides multiple program options, enabling customized cycles based on fabric type and laundry needs. Whether you require a quick wash, a drying cycle, or a combined wash-dry function, the machine offers flexibility and convenience in one compact unit. Designed for desktop or countertop use, this portable washer is perfect for apartments, dormitories, RVs, travel setups, and small homes. Its lightweight structure and compact footprint make it easy to move, store, and install without professional assistance. Despite its small size, the machine delivers efficient performance that saves time and effort while maintaining excellent cleaning results. This 2-in-1 washer and dryer combo also promotes energy and water efficiency. Its optimized washing system reduces resource consumption compared to traditional machines, helping users minimize utility costs while maintaining high performance. Quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance, allowing users to run laundry cycles at any time of day without noise concerns. With its modern design, user-friendly controls, and multifunctional capabilities, this mini portable washer-dryer is a practical solution for those seeking convenience, hygiene, and efficiency. It is an excellent choice for students, travelers, parents, and anyone living in limited spaces who needs a reliable way to handle small daily laundry tasks.